Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how you can extract all the images which are present inside the PDF document and save it as a in the folder, output folder. So we will do it inside Python guys. We will use a package called as PyMuPDF, commonly known as Fitz. We will use this Python script, and as you all know, you can see we have provided the input file which is present. This is the input file we are taking, book.pdf, which is present in the root directory. And this, as this Python script will run guys, it will extract all the images which are present. Let me show you the Python PDF file. It's a 54 pages document, and it contains a lot of images. If you see inside this PDF document, this is actually an image. You will see that in the PDF document. So now how to extract all these images and save it inside a folder. So this will be a simple automation script guys, which will automatically run, and it will iterate through all the pages on the PDF document, and once it finds any kind of image, it will save it inside the folder. So it will basically run for every page in the PDF document, and it's automation script. Now let me run this Python script and show to you. Before running the script, you need to make that folder, whatever folder name that you need to put here. I put that images, so I need to put images before you run this. So simply do this. So after you run this script guys, if I run this now, python app.py, just notice the left hand side. So you will see that automatically all the images have been extracted automatically and save it as a PNG file. And if you open this now, on the right hand side, you will see the live preview of all the images which are being saved here from the PDF document. So these are all the images from the pages guys. It has successfully detected and extracted it and then save it right here. So it is nice little automation script guys. So if you have a large ebook and if you want to get all the images inside the ebook, you can run this Python script, and I will show you from scratch how to basically build this Python script. For this, as I already told you, we are using this package PyMuPDF. This is actual library that we are using guys. You can go to their official documentation and read more about it. The package, simply you can install this package by using a pip command, pip install, and then pymupdf. This is actual package. And then the second library, fitz. These are the two libraries which are needed guys. Simply install this using pip command. I have already done that. This will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds for installation. So now to make this guys, first of all we need to import that package which is Fitz, and then we now need to call this function from our main function, if main is. So here we will provide the input file path which is book.pdf, and the image folder. So you can create your image folder. Let's suppose output, and then basically we just need to call a function, custom function, which we will make here, extract images from PDF, and we will pass the PDF path and the image folder. So now we just need to make that method guys, and here you will actually get your so inside this function guys, what we need to do right here, we actually need to open the PDF document by using this fits.open method, and actually we'll open this and then we will iterate through all the pages. For this we will use the for loop, and we will actually use page count. So this will actually calculate how many pages are available in the PDF document, and based upon that it will run the for loop. And for each page, what we will do in this for loop, we will actually get the reference of that page number like this. So we are getting the reference of that particular page. So what we will do, we will extract the images from that particular page. So page.getImages. So this method will return if any images are present inside that page. So full is equal to true. So this will actually find if any images are present. If images are present, guys, in that case, we will actually run this enumerate. We will actually pass this. So this will actually detect if any pages, if it's a array or not. If images are found, in that case, we will save it. So now to save this, it's very easy. We will get the image index by using image 0, and base image is equal to pdf document dot extract image. This is actual function which is available inside this library, guys, in order to extract the image based upon the image index. And then after this, we will get the actual bytes of the image, base image, and then we will actually write the image file to the file disk. So for doing this, we will say image file name is equal to f image folder and slash page number 1, and then colon, this is image index plus 1 dot png. This name will be saved, guys. Now to save this, we will say with open image file name in write binary mode, and as image file, we will simply save this file by using the write method and simply pass image bytes. That's all. And after doing this, guys, we will actually close out the PDF document just outside this for loop. We will say that PDF document close. So this is your script, guys. And again, if I run this, if you don't create that folder, guys, you will actually get an error. I think, yeah, you do need to create that folder first of all before running that script, and it is saying no module name front end. I think I made a mistake, guys, in writing the script step by step. Paste it here. You can pause the video and basically see. So this is the thing, guys. If you can change the folder name output. So let me pause the video. You can basically write this code right here and see that sometimes in coding mistakes can happen. So if I again run this, uh, what is the thing right here? Let me just do this. Let me delete that folder and create it once again, images. I think just install this front end. You see why it is Python. I don't think so, guys, because at the starting of the video, the application did work and you can see all the images were present. Don't think so why it is not working right here, because my internet connection is something is wrong here. So you can basically try out on your own machine, because at the starting it did work, but I don't know the reason why it is not working. I'm trying to run it, but I think I made a mistake here. So you can run on in your machine. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.